small basic. So I think you have already know something about small basic, isn't it? Is that true? Tell me through the chat. In grade 6, grade 5, you have learned something about small basic, isn't it? Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you, Manuti. Okay, so small basic. So I'm going to so here in the grade 7 we have to discuss about the loops. Okay, discuss about the loops related to small basic. Okay, but I would like to remind you what is small basic and what you have already studied in grade 5 and 6. I would like to remind those things also. So this session is actually an introductory session to the small basic. Okay. Okay. So here this is the presentation. So okay. So dear students, this small basic actually it's from Microsoft company. Okay, you know Microsoft. So it's we get Microsoft Windows operating system. Windows operating system is also from Microsoft company, and you already know Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Excel. That tool package is called Microsoft Office. It is also from Microsoft company. So this small basic, this is a programming language, and it is also from Microsoft company. Okay. So introduction to small basic. Okay.
Good morning,
Okay.
teacher.
So in this lesson you will learn how to, what are the lesson objectives. Let's see. So you will learn how to describe small basic. What if someone asks you what is small basic, then you can describe what is small basic. Okay, then you may learn how to what is the small basic environment. It means how to install the small basic software, and what are the interfaces, what are the relevant technical names related to that interfaces, such things. Okay, then we will write our first small basic program. Okay, so this is a programming language, no? So small basic is a programming language. So we are going to do programming now. Okay, so here write a small basic program is we will write the first programming first program using small basic language. Okay, so use IntelliSense technology. I will describe it later. Okay, and likewise save your program, how to save the program and such things. Okay, so first of all, let's see what is small basic. Okay, so small basic is a programming language. Okay, so a program is a set of instructions that a computer can understand. So now there are various kinds of programming languages: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, some popular programming languages like Java, C#, okay, Pascal, Python. Likewise, there are thousands of programming languages nowadays in the world. Okay, so small basic is another example for such a programming language. Okay, so normally we use programming languages to create programs. For an programs means similar words are softwares, apps, or applications. We use programming languages to create softwares or applications or apps, or simply we say programs. Okay, so we use programming languages to create programs. Program means set of instructions. It's a collection of instructions. Okay, we use these instructions to instruct the computer to do the task. Okay, we instruct the computer to do the task, and a computer will do the task and output the relevant results for us. Okay, us means we are users. Okay, we are users, computer is the machine. So we, by using the mouse, by using the keyboard, we instruct the computer to do relevant tasks. For an example, using word software, we using the keyboard we type. Okay, using the mouse we select some features, bold in the text, okay, underlined in the text, changing the color of the text. Likewise, we are giving instructions to the word software. Okay, word is a program. Okay, it is in the computer. Okay, so ultimately, finally, word program or the computer will give a nice document to us. Us means to the user. Likewise. Okay, so program is a set of instructions that computer can understand. To write that set of instructions, it means to write that program, we use programming language. Okay, are you clear? Can you understand that? Please respond
Yes,
me
sir.
via the chat.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Anybody? Can you understand what is a program? What is a programming language? Okay. Good. So small basic is a programming language. Okay, like Python, Java, C#, Pascal, and various kinds of programming languages. Small basic is another one programming language. Okay, so okay, so this is the interface. Okay, so this is the interface you will experience while using the small basic software. Okay, I will describe it later. Okay, so small basic that makes computer programming extremely approachable, easy and fun. Okay, why we learn small basic in grade 5, 6, 7? Because it is a very easy language. It means that small basic is very easy to understand. Okay, it is very suitable for students and children to begin their programming career. Okay, programming subject. Okay, that's why we are using small basic instead of programming languages like Java, Python. We use small basic because it's very easy. Okay, next, so here small basic, a programming language for beginners. Now you are beginners, no, you are not intermediate level ones, or you are not the experts, you are beginners. You are studying programming for the first time, so you are beginners. Okay, in the beginning only a few programming languages existed in the early days. Okay, in the early days. Now in grade 8 or 9, when you are in grade 8 or 9, you will learn the generations of computers. It means computer generations, so computer history. Okay, so history is divided into 5 generations: first generation, second generation, third generation. Likewise, we are now in the 5th generation. Okay, so in early days, it means in the first or second generations, that's in the beginning means those days. Okay, only a few programming languages existed and they were easy to learn. Okay, however, these languages became more and more complex. Okay, it means more complex languages were invented. Okay, such as C#, okay, Visual Basics, Java, likewise. Okay, so this complexity discouraged people who wanted to learn how to program computers. So because of that complexity, many people discourage themselves to learn programming. That's the thing. Okay, so okay, so this small basic, it is easy to understand, no? So this small basic removes this complexity barrier and serves as a stepping stone for all beginners to the world of programming. As it is very easy to understand, this small basic become as the stepping stone, first step to programming. Okay, that's the thing. Okay. Okay. So let's examine what is small basic environment. Okay. Okay. So small basic provides you with an extremely simple. So there's a question. Okay. Don't. Okay. If you have questions, ask through the via chat. Okay. Okay. Small basic provides you with an extremely simple yet powerful development environment with features like instant context sensitive help. Okay. So you may not understand this sentence, but I will describe it later. Okay. So don't worry about that. Okay. So here I would like to simultaneously open the installed small basic environment in my computer also. Okay. So I will describe you how to install the small basic in your computer later. Okay. Now first let's examine what is the interface and how what are the parts of the interface like that. Okay. So small basic. Here how it starts. Okay. So now you can see so here in this picture, okay, in this I mean in here this picture contain 1 2 3. It's similar to this one. Okay, similar to this one. So here there are several parts, so you should know. So that's what I am going to describe. Okay, so let's minimize the application and let's go to the presentation again. Okay. Okay, so here this part is called the editor. Okay, so normally we use editor to write the codes. Okay, now you have used I think so you have already used this one in grade 6 and grade 5, so you may know about this one. Okay, so we use this part to do coding. Okay, in programming, when we are writing something using the programming language, we call it as coding. Okay, we don't say typing. Typing is done using word processing softwares. Okay, like Microsoft Word, like software. Okay, in programming we don't say the word typing, instead we use coding. Okay, we use coding. That's the thing. Okay, so this is the number one, is we call it editor. For an example, I will show you how to code. Okay, so this is the editor area. No, so here so this area is used to do coding. Okay, likewise now after that here text window, likewise here that now you can see here text window dot write line. These are the commands in the programming language. Okay, so you will learn step by step how to do this coding. Okay, don't worry now. Okay, so this area is used to do coding. Okay, instead of typing we use the word coding. Okay, window dot write line, likewise we use this area to do coding, and this area is called as the editor. Okay. Okay, so okay, so grade 9s, I am reminding it again. Okay, there are grade 9s here. Okay, so in your timetable in the first period it's the life skills. Okay, in the 11:45 to 12:45 hour you will have I think something called PT. Okay, PT. So instead of those time slots, now Nilmini teacher is unavailable due to a personal reason for the 8 to 9 period. Okay, So PT is not practical in Zoom sessions, no. So in those slots, I am teaching grade 7s this small basic part. Okay. So if you are interested, or if you are if you want, you can join these sessions. Okay. So that's the thing. Okay. So you may refresh your knowledge about programming, especially for about small basic you have done in grade 6 and 7. So you can join this session. Okay, sessions. That's the thing. Don't ask questions again and again related to the relations to the grade 9s. Okay. Okay. So here this is the editor. So this is editor, and the second one, this top bar, this is called toolbar. Okay, there are various tools. Okay, so this is called toolbar, and this part, the third part, it's called as you can find more information about commands in the help window. This is called help window. Okay, this is called help window. So summarizing the interface, I'm describing it again. So number 1 is it's called editor. Number 2 is toolbar. Number 3 is help window. Okay, it's called help window. Okay. So now for an example. Okay. So now let's type text window. Okay, text window. So here that what is the meaning of text window and what are the features of text window is explained in this area. This is called the help window. Okay, more information related to our commands is shown here. Okay, so this area is called the help window. Okay, this is editor, these are toolbar, this is the toolbar, and this is the help window. Okay. Okay. So now I am going to show you how to do the first program. Okay, how to do the first program. Okay, this is called hello world program. Okay, this is called hello world program. So let's see. Okay, so okay, normally after opening the small basic software, okay, you can start a new program. Okay, this is called by pressing the new button you can open a new text window. Okay, editor window, you can open a new editor window. Okay, so here I like to maximize this. Okay, okay, here our first program is to show something to the display. Okay, so here I'm using a text window. Okay, I will explain what is text window later. Okay, so here now when I'm starting the typing, not typing, coding. Okay, this another video is appearing. Okay, this video this window is called this name. Okay, in a previous slide you got that name. Can you see that one? This one, IntelliSense technology. Okay, IntelliSense technology, this is called the IntelliSense technology. Okay, what is this IntelliSense technology? Now in now I have already told that this small programming using small basic is very easy. That's the thing, because we don't need to memorize each and every command related to the programming language. Okay, so in a programming language there are thousands of commands. This text window is one command. Okay, text window is such a one command. Likewise, there are several commands. Okay, so we don't need to memorize these all the commands by ourselves, because this application helps to find the relevant commands. Okay, so when I coding, okay, when I coding or when I typing, okay, words, okay, letters in the text editor part, this window appears. This window is called as IntelliSense technology. Okay, IntelliSense technology means suggesting commands. Okay, now through this window, this application suggests user to relevant commands. Now I started from T now. Okay, so it shows commands starting from the letter T. Now I am continuing text. Then it will show commands starting from the word text. Likewise, so you can navigate through this window by using arrow keys. Now I am using down arrow key. Okay, using by pressing down arrow key, I can navigate through these commands. Now I am pressing upward arrow key, up arrow key. Okay, so by pressing I can navigate through these commands through their suggestions. This is called IntelliSense technology. Okay, so I'm going to use text window command. So instead of typing, okay, I can use this command through arrow, through this up and down arrow keys. Okay, and I have selected the text window command and I can press enter. Then it will automatically appears in the editor part. Okay, okay, so text window dot, we use dot operator. I will explain it later. Okay, now I want to now text window is the output window. Okay, so this is here we are using this window to programming. No, so output is shown in a separate window with a black background. Okay, so there are several types of output windows. One is text window, another one is graphics window. Okay, likewise there are several output windows. Here I am using text window to output the result. Okay, that's why I have started from text window. So the output window is text window, and I want to output a string. String means praise, couple of words. Okay, so to output couple of words, I should use a command called write line. Okay, so here in the IntelliSense technology, it shows us. Okay, after text window, normally we use write line or relevant commands. So I use I select write line and then press enter. Okay, now what should I shown in the text window output? Okay, so it is that I should output hello world praise. Okay, the two words hello worlds. Okay, so that praise is within inverted commas inside parentheses. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, after write line we should open a parenthesis, and inside the parenthesis we should put our praise within inverted commas. Okay, so hello world, hello world, that's the thing. Okay, So now here in the help window, it shows how to use the write line. Okay, write line method. These are called methods. Okay, I will explain it later. Okay, this write line is called a method, or another name is function. You may not get the idea right now, but these are called functions or methods. Okay, I will explain it later. So in this help window, it shows how to use the write line method. Here you can see that. Okay, so so after write line, the data here, the hello world phrase, okay, it should be included within the parentheses. Okay, so I have done that one. Okay, here the data is within the parentheses. As this is a words type data, it should also be included within inverted commas. Okay, you will learn such things step by step when we are going further. Okay, that's the thing. So now I am going to output this hello world phrase to text window. Okay, by using the text window. Okay, so after completing the coding in the editor part, so you can you can press this run button. Okay, by clicking on this button, or instead you can use a shortcut key. What is the key? Now you have, in the keyboard there are set of F keys, so you may use F5 keys instead of pressing this button. Okay, instead of pressing this button, you may use F5 key to run the program. Okay, now I am using this button in the toolbar. Okay, okay, now here you can see this black color window. This is called the text window. Okay, this is called the text window, and it shows us hello world. Here, hello world. Okay, so we wanted to show the two words hello world, so it is being shown here. Okay, so this black window is called the text window. Okay, okay, to exit from this window, you may press any key on the keyboard. I am usually pressing space bar. You may press enter button or escape button or any letter A, W, B, anyone. Okay, so I am usually press space bar to escape this or close this window. Okay, again, then in that text window is disappear, and again we can see the main windows here, the editor window. Okay, yes, this session is will be continued until 9 o'clock. Okay, if you are interested, especially grade 9s, you may rejoin. Okay, grade 7s must rejoin. Okay, because this is a session related to them. No, if you are interested, grade 9s may rejoin. Okay, okay, now I have output hello world. Okay, if you want to output something more, then do the coding again. Okay, now I want to now I have said hello world, so I would like to tell I am Samira, I am happy. Okay, so here I am using this text window. So this I am Samira and I am happy should be shown in the text window. So I am using text window again. Okay, so this IntelliSense suggests us you are going to use a text window. So yes, I have selected the text window using arrow keys. I am using enter button to select that command, and I want to write line to write a phrase to the text window. So I am using here write line. Okay, select write line and press enter. Okay, can we zoom the editor? Okay, okay, I will do that definitely. So magnifier. Now you can see that. Okay, so here I want to output, so the data part here, right in the right, if you use right line, the data should be included within parentheses. So I have opened parentheses, and my data is word type data, no? So yeah, data means in my data I have couple of words. So if we are using words as the data, those words should be included within inverted commas. Okay, those word type data is called strings. Okay, you will learn it later. Okay, data types related to the programming, there are integers, there are strings. Okay, likewise there are decimals, there are various kinds of data types. So this word type, text type data type is called strings. In some programming languages it's called strings, in some programming languages it's called text. Okay, let's see, okay, in future. So here I'm going to type hello world, I am Samir from Gampa. Okay, from Gampa. Instead now I am selling hello world, no, so I am Samir from Sri Lanka, it is better. Okay, yeah. Now again let's run the program. Okay, instead of pressing this button, now I am using F5 key. Instead of pressing, I would like to use F5 key. Okay, F5 key to run the program. Here I am now I am pressing my F5 key in the keyboard. Okay, now you can see the black window appears. It means this, what is this black window? It is the text window. It appears and it shows the two phrases. Hello world, I am Samir from Sri Lanka. Okay, so in this part now you have learned, so to quit from this window you may press any key in the keyboard. Okay, now I am pressing space bar. Okay, okay, now through this first program we have learned how to use editor, how to use toolbar. In the toolbar we have used this run button, and how to use the help window. Okay, so there are various types of commands. Okay, when you are typing the commands, this feature, what is this feature? IntelliSense helps us to memorize the commands. Okay, helps us to memorize the commands. Okay, this window is called this window like technology is called, this suggestions like technology is called IntelliSense. Okay, that's the thing. So let's move to the presentation again. Okay, so I am asking, can we zoom in small basic? Let's try that one. Okay, instead of using a magnifier, here yes, here now you can see, you can zoom. Okay, zoom the text. So here you, by pressing the border, you may get this arrow like symbol, then you can adjust the window width. And here I am this zooming and zoom outing is done using my wheel in the mouse. Okay, so I have pressed the control button, and simultaneously I am using the wheel of the mouse. By forwarding and backwarding the wheel, I can do zooming and zoom outing. okay, zoom inning and zoom outing. Okay, so here I am forwarding my wheel, okay, mouse wheel here, then it is zooming, zoom in, then backward in the wheel, mouse wheel, then it zoom out. Okay, so to do that you should press the control button also. Okay, but while pressing the control button, you can use mouse wheel to zoom in and zoom out. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, I think you may got the idea. Okay, no, to run the program, okay, there are two ways. Okay, you should press this button O. So here I should delete this one. Okay, you should press this button O. You may use the shortcut key F5. Okay, F5. Those are the two ways. Okay, by entering you may not get this output window here, the text window. No? Okay, instead of text window, if I use graphic window, okay, graphics window, here you can see what will be the output. Let's see. Okay, so there are some changes to be done if you use graphics window. So I am telling that instead of text window there are some other windows also. Okay, one is graphics window. So as we use text window, we can't use graphics window directly. There are some parameters to be set. Okay, that's why when I run this program, the error is shown here. Okay, in this part it shows errors related to our code. Okay, if we have some errors related to our code, that errors are being shown here. Okay, that's why this programming language is very easy. Okay, so here, sorry, I was unable to run your program. Okay, so okay, this right line method is not used in graphic window. That's the thing. Okay, right line method is used in text window. Likewise, there are some mismatchings here. Okay, so those errors are shown here. You should get the idea that these errors are shown here. So likewise, text window, there are some other windows too. Okay, one is graphic window. So let's see how to work with the graphic window feature in future. Okay, now instead of graphic window, I am using text window. Okay, this text window, and here also a text window. Okay, okay, now you can see the output here. Okay, okay, so let's move to the presentation again. So here we were in this slide. Okay, so click the run button to on the toolbar. You already know that. Okay, so so what is IntelliSense technology? I have described that one too. Okay, let's see through this presentation what is it. While you were typing, did you notice that a list of items appeared with their explanations? Okay, now you have already seen that one. Okay, that window, I told that this is IntelliSense technology. Okay, those suggestions related to commands. So these items are part of an IntelliSense list which you can use to type your programs faster. Okay, this is called IntelliSense technology. Because of this technology, you don't need to memorize each and every command related to the programming language. You may memorize some essential commands only. Okay, so if you want to if you need more and more commands, this IntelliSense technology will help you. Okay, that's the thing. An IntelliSense list contains commands that you can type. Okay, you can scroll through the list by pressing the up and down arrows on your keyboard, and you can press enter button to insert the highlighted commands. Here the highlighted command is foreground color. Likewise into your code. Okay, you may use up and down arrow keys and to navigate through this window, and after selecting, likewise here the foreground color, to select apply the selected command, you may press enter button. Okay, that's the thing. So saving your program. Now we are going to learn how to save our program. Okay, so now it's 8:46. At 9 we will wind up this session. So now let's move to the software, and let's learn how to save your program. Okay, so let's first go through this presentation first. After you write a program, you must save it if you want to change or run it later. Okay, you know that in every software we should save the program, save the Word document, save the Excel sheet. Likewise here we should save the program. Okay, to save your program, you can click save on the toolbar. Here you can click this icon, or you can hold down the control key on the keyboard while you press S key. In Word, in Excel, what is the shortcut for saving? Control plus S. We should press simultaneously two buttons. What are they? Control button and the S key button. So that's the shortcut key for saving. So using Control plus S, we can save, or we may click on this button. Okay, there are two ways. Okay, before summarizing, let's save the program. Okay, so here I can use this button. Okay, so it shows so first of all we should locate where we should save our document. So in the desktop I have already created a folder called small basic. Okay, so here this one I'm going to open that folder. So here inside this folder I am going to create another folder called student practicals. Okay, student practicals. So inside that folder I'm going to save this program as first program. Okay, first program. You may give your own name. Okay, for the saving purposes. So I am using first program as to save this program, this code segment. Okay, so here the first program, so click save. So data type is small basic files. Okay, so you will see this dot small basic extension at the end of this first program. After saving this file, this dot small basic is used, okay, as the file extension in this software. Now in the Word we use dot docs, docs. In Excel sheet we use dot xlxx, Excel sheets. Likewise in HTML programs we use dot html. Grade 7s may don't know about that one, but grade 9s know. Okay, so likewise here the extension is dot small basic. Okay, so let's press save, and let's navigate to that folder. small basic. Okay. So here under the student practical folder, you may see, okay, first program. So here actually the extension is .sb. So that .sb stands for small basic. You can see here. .sb means SB stands for small basics. Okay. The file type is also shown here. SB file. SB means, is that SB Disanayaka, the minister? No. Small basic. Okay. Okay. Right. So after closing the program, okay, if you want to open this program, go to the file and double click that one. Okay. So so this is the first program now. So first of all, I have to choose the application. So here the application should be a small basic. Okay. So I should search small basic here. Small basic. Okay. Here, let's press enter. Okay, don't worry about that one. So let's select this one and try open with feature. Doesn't help. Okay, so don't worry about that. Again, if you want to open that program, save program, just open the small basic application. Okay, software. After opening that one, you may choose this open feature. Okay, through this one, you should navigate to the relevant file, which is inside this small basic folder and also inside the student practical folder. Then you may select this file and then open. Okay, so where is that? Yes, it's behind this window. Okay, so no, yes, here this is it, and the initial window is here. So you may close this one. We don't need to save that one. So I may use this one. This window is movable. You can see that one. It can be moved here, or it can be placed here, and we can expand the width and the height also by using by pressing control button and scrolling means using the mouse wheel. We can zoom in and zooming out likewise. Okay, that's the thing. So let's summarize the session. Okay, so to do that, I'm go to the presentation. So let's summarize this session. Okay, congratulations, now you know how to do these things. Okay, what are they? Define small basic. So small basic, what is it? Small basic is a programming language. So now you know small basic is a programming language. What are the three parts in the small basic environment? What are they? So this is called editor. So editor, toolbar, and the help window. Okay, editor, toolbar, and the help window. Those are the three main parts. And there is another technology called IntelliSense, suggesting the commands. It is called IntelliSense. And there is another part shown here, shown at the bottom when we are running a program. What is that part for? That part is for showing errors. You show that. Okay, that's the thing. So how to write a small basic program, how to use IntelliSense, and how to save your program. Now you know all these things. Okay, so that's it. Now that you know some facts about small basic, you can demonstrate what you have learned by answering the following questions. Okay. Okay. So now I need you to switch on your microphones. Okay. Yeah. Okay. You should answer to these questions. Okay. So the first question is, what is small basic? So can you give me the question? Can you give the answer? What is small basic?
Programming language.
It's a programming language. Good, Puta. Good. In the second question, which feature of small basic helps you to type your program faster? What is the technology?
IntelliSense.
IntelliSense. IntelliSense. Okay, that's the answer. How do you run your small basic program? There are two ways. What are those ways?
By clicking the run option or
By clicking
Yeah, by
F5.
clicking the run button or pressing the which key?
F5.
F5 key. Okay. Okay, that's good. That's the end of the presentation and that's the end of the first session.